look at the time that social media became prevalent in the hands of the youth and in the hands of people, that their capacity to concentrate has been reduced and reduced and reduced, and they have been dumbed down. If they can't read something that takes them 10 seconds, meaning that if they read something that only lasts 10 seconds, they're happy with it. Anything beyond that, they move on to the next story. So the people say you have to condense ilm. You have to condense what you're teaching and put it into 50 words. Because people's minds have been dumbed down. People have been dumbed down. If it takes more than a minute, they're not interested. So when they click on the audios on Salafi Sounds, for example, with the duroos of the mashayikh and the tullab al-ilm and the du'at, they look at the dars, the first thing they look at is how long is it going to take me to listen to? Oh, that's 55 minutes, I don't have 55 minutes. Let me go back to social media and Facebook. Let me see who's boxing who and who's playing cricket with who. Why? Because that is 55 minutes they're not willing to give in pursuit of ilm. Khutbah is a 25-minute, 30-minute khutbah, too long. The clip has to be 20 seconds, 1 minute, 55 seconds, because I have to move on. What do you have to move on to? What is it that we want to move on to beyond ilm? Why is it that we can't sit down and say, I'm going to play that dars, and I'm going to have my notebook in front of me, and I'm going to take 15 benefits from a dars of 50 minutes. I'm going to write down 15 benefits. I can't write the whole dars, because that's not matloob anyway. That's not what's required anyway. What's required of you is to take the important points from the dars. But we don't have 55 minutes. It's not that we don't have 55 minutes, we don't want to give 55 minutes for a dars. We don't want to give 25 minutes for a dars. We are itching to leave because we got more important things to do. My question to you is, what is more important? What is it that you want to do?